heart, where we just can't fake it. Ooh, for some kind of reason, we just won't let it die. I guess neither one of us wants to be the first to say goodbye. I keep on wondering what I'm gonna do without you. And I guess you must be wondering the same thing too. So we go on together, living a life, because neither one of us wants to be the first to say goodbye. Oh, every time I find love, every time I find enough to say I'm leaving. Oh, memories, those old memories, gets in my way. Oh, Lord knows it's only me. Only knows it's only me that I'm deceiving. When it comes to saying goodbye, that's the simple word that I just cannot say. There can be no way, there can be no way this can have a happy ending. Oh no. So it just come on, and pretending. Convince ourselves to give it just one more try, because neither one of us wants to be the first to say. Neither one of us wants to be the first to say. Woo. Neither one of us wants to be the first to say